I repeat, it is not safe.
It turned.
Hey, put me down. Why am I
Turning away, turning away.
Can you please?
What was that?
I don't. Hey guys, come look what I'm watching here.
Okay, guys, I'm here. Hey, Soul. Hey, Soul. Circle.
Look at the
Too funny. Too funny, boss.
This is a video of a tornado. Can you please put me down, Poison? Gosh, I was freaking levitating like a freaking levitating ball.
Hey, guys, I'm here.
Smells sweet.
I was levitating like a freaking turd and going through.
What's on the TV?
This is a video of a tornado.
I see that. That is cool.
Yeah,
Oh my god, we get a kitty cat.
this is interesting.
Or nah. But this one. Or nah.
They're watching a video surviving tornadoes. Oh no, it's lightning! Oh god!
What?
Just kidding, it's just a bunch, it's the paparazzi.
Whoa!
It's a tornado of paparazzi.
Dude, this is a tornado completion. All these videos that they're showing are about tornadoes. Dude, look at that one. That one looks huge.
Like a finish a sentence. Sweet like a
I hate. Oh no.
Bulbasaur's butt.
Okay, could you please put me down, whoever's picking me
Poison,
up?
get out the way! Let me out!
I'm not picking you up. I'll put you down. There you go, bro.
Listen, bro, T-Woods.
Whoever shoots a laser point at me will get zero gravity.
Ask people if you want to sub to your friggin' YouTube channel. If you want to do that, get on social media.
Okay, that's it.
Guys, I'm gonna go take some action. Okay, I am going to study the tornado that is outside. I'm like a storm chaser. Okay, guys, wish me luck.
There's no tornado.
What?
Pie? I mean, not pie. Wait, Noah, wait. How are you back? Hey, Noah, walk up the edge. Noah, come out here and jump. Noah, jump. Bye, bro.
God dang it!
Hey guys, look, I'm studying.
You're going to space.
Number one, I can't stand.
See you in the afterlife.
Afterglow.
See you in the afterlife.
Hey, you want to hear? Guys, I am studying a tornado. Guys, TVs are broken down here. Let me check the cord. Let me check the cords on this one.
I'm done with you! Screw you!
Yeah, they're warped. Yeah, they're... Let me check the cords on... No, this TV is just flat out recording.
What the heck just happened?
that's it. I'm going out there no matter what. I don't give a crap if I die. Cause I'm man. I'm gonna go study a tornado.
Says the man wearing a pink jumpsuit.
I have no idea what the heck.
I am a pink jumpsuit.
I'm not even bothering to spawn. I just watch one person spawn, die. The other person spawns, die. Then it goes back and forth.
I clearly have no idea what the heck.
Guys,
You
is there
can
a
spawn
tornado
now.
coming?
You can all know, yeah.
Tornado. I am going to go study it. And if I die, I'll see y'all in the afterlife.
Yay! Study for science.
Hey, whenever you die, is there a way you can spectate people? Like watch them or whatever? Then
Yes.
then do it.
Yes, attach a camera to the vehicle, and then attach the camera
Pi hates bad
to
guys. I'm
a
still getting used. Pi hates bad guys. I'm still getting used to having.
Wait, what?
What feels an admin that wanted to did that forever? That just said everybody's gravity 100.
Hey dude, if anybody wants to study with me, pull out a camera and go outside. Guys, I see the tornado. Guys, I found the tornado.
It's a tornado. Tornado removed anything it sees.
Tornadoes heading straight towards the house.
Dude, it's right behind us. We need to start heading back to the house.
I'm in the basement of the house, and the freaking thing is coming straight toward.
I think we're good now. Hold on. I think the tornado might still be coming. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm still staying out. Just study. I'm gonna go study more.
Okay, you can go there. I'll be right back. I'm back.
Stop!
Guys.
I'm trying to build a freaking car here.
Don't get near me. Anything
Yeah,
that
frickin'
gets near me will get disintegrated. Everything's getting disintegrated.
Don't do it, dude. I'm trying to build like a thing so I can study the tornado.
Anything that gets near me will get disintegrated. Except people.
Hey guys, I'm back.
I'll stop, guys. Oh yeah, Quack is another admin. Blocksky, I won't threaten people anymore. Not just said that I won't threaten people anymore. Blocksky, Gravity Falls, since you said that, I won't threaten people anymore. I have no idea why this car just ran into a tree.
Sorry.
Gravity Falls. Gravity Falls. I won't threaten people anymore. Alright, watch out, that guy's gonna hit you. Smurf. Bronze, dimes.
How did that kill me? What the crap? Now I have to go all the way back. Oh my gosh. How did you do that?
Watch out, bro.
Sorry guys, I'm coming back. I'm gonna attach the car.
One. After you need to run.
I am going to attach my car to a TV.
I'm gonna permanent gag web sucks. Okay.
Guys, watch this video.
What?
Everyone comes to the front of the farmhouse. Hold on, I'm gonna go there. As I said, I will be coming to that place.
Jill is
Sorry.
Everyone,
There's a tornado. Let's get in the basement so we can watch it. Well, I ain't gonna be a scaredy cat, and I ain't gonna put a TV up over and guess what I'm gonna do? Now I am going to attach it to the car, and y'all gonna watch it. Titan, move. Move. Frickin' move, mate.
whatever you do not set your car's weight to 1 because they'll blow up your car. Watch this. Watch it. This. I have a car. I set its weight to 1. And boom, blows up.
You killed me.
Sorry, bud. car if I said it's way to
Really?
run.
No, I need to go all the way back.
All right.
But don't whack any props in like a tight space where there's people. Please. Don't do it again. Don't. How did I get teleported right here?
I brought you.
Thank. I.
No. Welcome. Okay.
In the basement.
Ow.
Move back in. Guys, this is an experiment of what's gonna It's gonna be an experiment of what's gonna happen to this car, and I'm gonna stay in it. And guess what I'm gonna do to the TV that's back here? I will attach. I'll attach.
Delete that. I'm stuck on the other side. Shadow, I'm stuck on the other side.
I'll just spam taking.
I have the remover tool. Should I just get rid of it? Never mind.
Delete it.
Delete what? Delete what?
Delete it? Okay.
Yeah, delete this.
Yeah, delete this.
I'm